Good morning, dear student of class 11. Today I am going to teach you your literature portion. The poem name is The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. About the poem: the voice of the rain is the statement of facts, is an imaginary dialogue form. It traces the life story of clouds. Clouds are the transformed shapes of water. They cannot be touched but are the saviors of nature, all forms of life on the earth. The rain is the song of the earth. The water moves in a definite order. It turns into light vapor, moves upward, wanders in the sky, and finally returns to its birthplace lovingly. It is a boon for the dry earth and the drying vegetation. It removes all the layers of dust from every object, but above all, it waters the dry earth, enables the seeds to sprout, and makes everything clean as well as beautiful. The poet asks the question, and the rain tells him all about its birth and end. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated: I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely from altogether change and yet the same. I descend to leave the draughts, atoms, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me, where seeds only latent unborn, and forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beauty for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, when erect or unwrecked duly with love returns. Then student, go to your summary section. Page number 91. Summary. The poet casually asks the gentle rain, who is she? Surprisingly, the rain answers the question in detail and in human voice. The poet translates the rain says that she is the song of earth, which is her birthplace and her mother. She is born out of the water bodies on the land and the vast sea. Vast sea. In the form of vapor, she rises